Welcome to my channel. This is QQME K125. When you set the charger, it charges, but when you switch on, it will not switch. That is the waste that we are come to do today. So this is the QQME. See, because the board is damaged, so when you press it with any key, it will not switch due to water damage. Before this fault would come, water damage is the only problem that causes this. See, when I press it, it is not working. So you make a jump connection on the motherboard from this side. So when you trace, there's a line coming here to this side. So this side, you can use your Allen key to screw there so that you get the indicator or a dot, shining dot. Then, or you can use your cutter or your blade. Then you connect on the tip of the wire with a lead, and the other side too with a lead. Then you place it on the power key. So that's the one side is not working and one side is, you see, this side is working, the middle is the problem. So whenever you see that the tracing line, there's a break on it, here's the problem. Because on the PWR, the power at the back of, when you move this battery, you will not see the PAWs at the back here. So when you remove it, you do it, it will not come because there's a fault over there. So doing this jump connection, you need to focus steady on the board. I'm here to teach the public, and even newcomers are always welcome to my YouTube channel. This is done very difficult, but sometimes you need to master on the motherboard when doing this. See? So I'm pressing it on to sit before I do my jump connection. See? Yes. So doing this, I'll just cut the wire to be short because it have charged finished, so you unplug your charger. And the tape too, you can take the wire. So when you are done, then you still come and apply it back. So you apply the lead and the tip of the other end. So when you take the lead a bit at the piece of the, at the tip of the jump wire, then you apply your foam flux or the paste on the board. You see? And you let it come like a curve. Now, when you use the keys to press it, it will work. Because at first it was not working due to the water damage. You see? Let's power it off. Okay. you are done. So you can subscribe to my channel, KOTO. Phone repairs, WOFA KOTO, the only best. So you are done, then you place your keys back. The public is mine, the youth is mine. It's all about hard working. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.